So I got a little bit of rain out here. Or that hole that those two culverts that I put in, everybody thought I was crazy. Like, oh no, I saved my driveway. Look at that. Saved my mother effing driveway. Woo woo. If that hadn't been there, Cody, get out of there. You're gonna get sucked in. Come on, get out of there. If I hadn't put those culverts in there, man, this whole damn driveway would be gone. But you know what? It isn't. I'm really, really excited about it. Look at that though, man. That'll get you. Man, you got sucked down in there. That'd be the end of you.